ASNT RT Level 3 Refresher Course Online by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Introduction. Hello and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Radiographic testing plays a critical role in ensuring the integrity, safety, and reliability of welded joints, castings, forgings, and pressure containing components used throughout the oil and gas, petrochemical, power generation, aerospace, manufacturing, and infrastructure industries. For HNT Level 3 professionals, maintaining technical competency and staying current with industry requirements is essential for certification renewal and continued professional excellence. To support experienced NDT professionals, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers the ASNT RT Level 3 Refresher Course online, especially designed to help Level 2 and Level 3 personnel refresh their technical knowledge, strengthen Level 3 responsibilities, and prepare effectively for ASNT RT Level 3 recertification examinations. In this video, we will discuss the course objectives, syllabus, technical contents, reference books, and the benefits of joining this comprehensive refresher program. Why radiographic testing is important? Radiographic testing is one of the most widely used volumetric non-destructive examination methods. It enables inspectors to detect and evaluate internal discontinuities without damaging the component. RT is extensively used for pressure vessels, pipelines, structural welds, castings and forgings, aerospace components, nuclear components, oil and gas facilities, power plants, because RT involves radiation sources and image interpretation. Highly qualified Level 3 personnel are required to ensure safe operation and technical compliance. Objectives of the refresher course. Let us see this. The primary objective of the course is to provide focused revision and enhance exam readiness. Participants will refresh their understanding of principles and theory, equipment and materials, X-ray and gamma ray sources, radiation detectors, techniques and calibration, exposure calculations, film and digital radiography, image quality and evaluation, procedures and documentation, radiation safety and health. The course strengthens the technical judgment expected from ASNT Level 3 professionals. Now let us see principles and theory. Understanding radiation physics forms the foundation of radiographic testing. Participants review radiation fundamentals, electromagnetic radiation, X-rays and gamma rays, interaction of radiation with matter, attenuation principles, image formation, density and contrast, geometric unsharpness, sensitivity, parameter concepts, sources of radiation, electrically generated sources, X-ray tubes, linear accelerators, particulate radiation sources, iridium 192, selenium 75, cobalt 60. Understanding source selection is essential for obtaining optimum image quality and inspection efficiency. Now, equipment and materials. Participants review various RT equipment including X-ray machines, gamma exposure devices, film systems, digital detectors, intensifying screens, cassettes, IQIs, densitometers, film reviewers, processing chemicals. Modern digital radiographic technologies are also discussed. These include computed radiography, digital detector arrays, flat panel detectors, image enhancement systems. Now, techniques and calibration. Let us see this. Radiographic quality depends upon proper technique selection and calibration. Topics include source to film distance, geometric considerations, image sharpness, sensitivity, IQI selection, calibration concepts, detector verification, exposure charts, technique development. Participants learn how to optimize exposure parameters to obtain reliable and repeatable results. Now, film processing and image quality. Proper image quality is critical for accurate interpretation. The course reviews film processing, manual processing, automatic processing, chemical control, dry procedures, viewing of radiographs, viewing conditions, film density, contrast, image artifacts, judging radiographic quality, image quality indicators, resolution, sharpness, sensitivity. These factors determine whether a radiograph meets code requirements. The next is Radiographic techniques. Different components require different exposure techniques. Participants study single wall, single image, double wall, single image, double wall, double image, panoramic exposure, tangential techniques, profile techniques, computed radiography, digital radiography, technique selection for varying geometries and thicknesses is emphasized. Now, interpretation and evaluation. Level 3 personnels are responsible for accurate interpretation and acceptance decisions. The course covers identification of discontinuities, porosity, slag inclusions, lack of fusion, cracks, incomplete penetration, tension inclusions, shrinkage defects. Participants learn evaluation against acceptance criteria specified by ASME Section 5, ASME Section 8, API standards, AWS standards, ISO standards, customer specifications. Procedures and level 3 responsibilities. One of the most important responsibilities of HNT level 3 personnel is preparing and approving procedures. Topics include written practices, procedure development, technique sheets, qualification requirements, personal certification, code compliance, review and approval, documentation and reporting. The course reinforces the professional responsibilities expected from a level 3. Radiation safety and health. Safety is paramount in radiographic testing. Participants refresh their understanding of exposure hazards, biological effects of radiation, acute and chronic exposure, radiation protection, time, distance, shielding, monitoring devices, film badges, TLD badges, pocket dosimeters, emergency procedures, source retrieval, restricted areas, warning systems, regulatory compliance. Radiation safety knowledge is essential for protecting personal, facilities, and the environment. Now, reference books. The course is based on internationally recognized HNT references. HNT Level 3 Study Guide RT 4th edition, HNT Level 2 Study Guide RT 3rd edition, Radiographic Testing Classroom Training Book, HNT Questions and Answer RT 3rd edition, Quick Reference Method Cards RT, HNT Industrial Radiography Radiation Safety 2nd edition, Working Safely in Radiography 2nd edition, Non-Destructive Testing Handbook Volume 3 4th edition, Relevant Discontinuities RT. These references provide comprehensive technical coverage and examination support. Now, who should attend this course? This course is ideal for HNT RT Level 3 candidates, Level 2 and Level 3 personnels, NDT engineers, QA/QC engineers, welding engineers, inspection managers, asset integrity engineers, RBI inspectors, mechanical engineers, production engineers. Participants looking for HNT level, RT level 3 preparatory classes also, they also can join this training program. Now, course schedule. Course duration 60 hours. Course dates 2nd July to 28 July 2026. Every month on same dates throughout the year. Mode online through Zoom. Class timings: evening classes 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. 3 hours as per Indian Standard Time IST. Now, at last, conclusion: advance your technical competence, strengthen your level 3 responsibilities, and prepare confidently for HNT RT level 3 recertification. Join the HNT RT level 3 refresher course online by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited and stay ahead in the field of radiographic testing. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile / WhatsApp number is +91 7359458455. Please contact us. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, delivering excellence in NDT, inspection, engineering, certification, and technical training worldwide. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more professional videos on NDT, welding inspection, quality assurance, and industrial engineering. Thank you.